Zara for Shiny and Tech Digest, and I'm here with a Nokia 7100 Supernova. Now this is a budget phone. It retails for around £85. You can probably find it cheaper online, and it doesn't have any particular bells and whistles, but then again it doesn't really need to. It essentially does what it says on the tin. It's really easy to call, make texts, even browse the internet with their Opera Mini browser. No 3G, but with a screen this size, you don't necessarily going to plan to be on the internet for a huge amount of time. You're looking at a 2-inch QVGA screen, and what's quite nice about this phone is we've got this little slide-out keyboard here, but all the little buttons are actually slightly raised, which really makes it easy to type on as well. Again, because this is quite a budget phone, we've got no 3.5mm headphone jack, we've got the 2.5mm proprietary with Nokia, which is a little bit frustrating, but it does include an internal FM radio via the headset, of course, which is quite nice as well. What else do we have here? We've got a 1.3 megapixel camera, pretty budget, but the snaps again it's not the kind of phone that you get for all the bells and all the whistles. And what's quite nice about it is you've got an auto setting where when you're shooting at night mode, it automatically converts. It kind of picks up the ambient light and means that your snaps actually come out looking quite good. What else? About 8 hours of talk time they say that you're going to get on this, and they say it can also last about 430 hours of standby. But then again, I'm not necessarily sure you're going to test it. It comes in 3 colourways, red, even though I would say this is very, very pink, black and blue, and it weighs in at 103.5 grams, which is actually quite heavier than you'd expect for something this small. It's 15mm thick again, and looks kind of quite small but quite chunky, but it's really easy to use, and as I say, it has all the basic settings. It's got your average games, your average text messages, MMS, all that kind of thing, and a memory where it can store 1,000 contacts. So, Nokia 7100. Budget, but pretty good.